Hello everyone, today I am going to give you part 2 video chess tactic for beginners. I am giving you right now 9 seconds only. Please find the right answer right now in this chess tactic for beginners level chess tactics. Okay, you can find the answer and share your answer below the comment section on my YouTube channel chess tactic for beginners. I am giving right now the timer. The timer is running right now. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. This is Chess Tactic for Beginners, Chapter 1. I am giving you right now the answer of this video. Okay, you can see right now the white has not so many pieces. Black has so many pieces, but how to white handle this video in chess, the white easily row the match in this game. The game is raw right now because of white playing amazing. Okay, let's start with white turn. White going to play rook cross g7 and variable check, then king cross g7, then queen in g5 and beautiful check and brilliant move. After that, king go to h8, then queen go to f6 and beautiful check. Then come by queen here and again check, then go there, again check. That's why this game is raw. Because white plays amazing this game. So white has so many pieces, black has so many pieces, what nothing can do anything with the black pieces. That's why white play amazingly and get the row. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. We can go now chapter 2 video chess tactic for beginners. Okay. Hello everyone, this is chess tactic for beginners chapter 2 video. The game is raw this much. How to row why the black pieces. Okay, this is very hard game because white has so many pieces. What white going to win this game? So black going to play amazing. That's why black easily get the row this much. We can find the row. You can tell and share your answer below the comment section. Okay, please share your answer below the comment section. I am giving you right now, right time, the correct time. The timer is running right now. Please find the answer between the 9 seconds. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, this is chapter 2, chess tactics for beginners. The move is black turn right now. How to black fight why the rook and get the row, you can see right now. Okay, I am giving the right answer right now. Okay, please watch until finish this video. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, first move, rook cross g2 and variable check. Then king cross g2, the rook is gone. Then queen g4, king go to h1, then queen cross f3 and variable check. After that, white king go to g1, then again check here, then go h1, then again check here. The game is draw right now. That's why black's going to draw this match and easily find the answer this video. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, we can go now chapter 3 right now. Okay. Hello everyone, this is chess tactics for beginners chapter 3. How to draw the match in this video. Okay, This is a very good chess tactics for black and white. How to roll the match easily this game. Okay. Now I am going to give you 9 seconds only. Please find the answer and share your answer below the comment section right now, right time. The timer is running right now. You can find the answer. Okay. The timer is running. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, this is chess tactics for beginners, chapter 3. The answer right now. Now black turn right now. Black going to play bishop plus g2 and king at the bishop. Then king g4 and it will check. After that, queen can check. After that, king go to h1. Again, queen go to f3 and we will check. Then king g1. Then queen g4 and check, and the game is row. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. We can go now chapter 4 video. Okay. Hello everyone, this is chess tactics for beginners. Okay. This is very good and amazing chess tactic in chess forever. Okay. I am going to give you 9 seconds only. Please find the answer and share your answer below the comment section of this video. Okay. Now the timer is running right now. The right time. Okay. The timer is running. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, this is chess tactics for beginners. Chapter 4 and part 2 video. Please watch until finish this video because this is a very good chess tactics video. Okay, I am going to give you the right answer of this kind of chess tactics video. This tactics is, the game is a row match. Okay, how to row this chess tactics in beginners level players. I am going to give you the right answer right time now. Okay, first move, the white turn right now. White going to play rook d7. Now if cut by the queen, then queen cross f6 and we will check. After that, king go to g8, then queen g5 and we will check. Then king go to h8 and queen f6 and we will check and row the match. The game is a row. Okay. This is chess tactics for beginners level players, part 2 video, chapter 4. Okay. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. We can see another video the next after 2 days. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you. Okay.